Hi, my friends. This is Ashton Blake, and this is a video review for the Easy One-Up system. Plus, if you stay to the end of this review, I'll share with you the free bonus opportunity. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to show you the Easy One-Up system with my demo account. I have a demo account that I created also, along with my main account. And what you're seeing here is the sales page for the Easy One-Up, where you can watch a video overview to see how the system works. And then how to sign up, you start now or join now. And you can see all the levels here. Now, I just want to show you the back office to get to the whole thing. Let me just sign up here. Yep, here we go. So it's showing the levels. Matter of fact, I want to show you something. When you choose the levels, as you sign up, the company will prompt you with this screen. This is exactly what I want to show you with the levels. Like elevation, it starts out with like $25, and then you pay the company fee for $5. And elevation elite, $100, $10, and so forth. So they're all one-time fees. And that's based on the commissions you get from each level. And each level will have a bunch of courses that's all about affiliate marketing, drop shipping, building authority to your brand, and a lot of stuff, which I'm going to show you in the back office. And matter of fact, we'll go to dashboard. And I want to mention this too. For Easy One-Up 2.0 is early access. Basically what it is a beta for the new look of the entire system that the creator Peter Wolfing is creating. Him and a couple other people. So when it's done, this back office will be completely different, more mobile friendly than ever. So definitely expect an upcoming review on that one. So I'll keep you updated as it happens. So what you see in the back office, this is basically what it looks like when you sign up, when you first sign up to the system, no matter which level you go for it. And like you basically see this entity, the active members, unpaid members, total earnings, and total leads. And you see the links where you can use to promote the system, like the sales page you saw. And you have your lead capture pages, and then a Spanish version of that as well. And then the levels, as you can see here. And your sponsor, basically me. Your sponsor info, and your signups, and your welcome video. Now I'm going to show you what each level has for under my products. For elevation, as a matter of fact, let me go on my other account. My bad. Let's do that real quick. Go on the other account. Easy One-Up. And show you through there. Click that. Go to my products. So elevation, you basically get your it talks about the mindset changes and the side hustle and beginning levels of affiliate marketing and how to set up your autoresponder. This is basically what you see here. There's a ton of video on all of that you're getting for elevation. So each level has a ton of videos for you to learn how to promote with this system. Elevation elite, same thing here. How to live a minimalist lifestyle. Video marketing, ads, and solo ads, YouTube ads, and social media stuff. So you're getting a ton of value for each level, as you can see here. Like Vertex, and you have Vertex Elite. With the YouTube authority, and it's basically thousands of hours of video content, which I highly recommend. And you can use this to promote local businesses as well. And there's even stuff on drop shipping, so there's a ton of information on here. And with this level of Vertex Elite, which costs about $500, You also get access if you go under, let's just say, my company. You go under endless leads, and you basically get access to endless leads, which is audio and video courses, like additional information, and also PDF files on like how to promote on social media, like Facebook, LinkedIn, and and so forth. So you're getting a ton of value here. Okay. And you got other programs as well that's completely optional. And I'm only on the Vertex Pro, but the Vertex Live is mostly about live stream and like more of the same thing with additional information according to what my sponsor told me. And you got the marketing hub, where like resources you can use to promote the system, as you can see here, and your team data for each level, and the commission earning reports, the news updates on the system, who's crushing the leaderboards, and if you need help, there's support, right? And under my account, as a matter of fact, let me switch over to my demo account. Go to demo account. All right. Under my account, this is how it looks like. Well, you have your welcome email message, the same email message you'll see in your email. They'll place it on here in the back office. You have my profile, which I'll talk to you more about in a minute, and program stats. Basically, in the program stats, you see basically how much each level costs and an admin fee, and what you're going to see here. And if we go into my profiles, you know what though, before I even talk about that, the financing option, it's very optional where, if your prospect want to make partial payments like you can set them up for like a monthly fee instead of them paying the full amount at once. They can pay it in like small bits. So that's an option. There's a credit card option to that. And there's a 1 hour video tutorial explaining how to set that up, because the company have to customize it for you in order for it to work. So it's a cool feature that not many systems use. So I highly recommend you look at the video for that one. And you go into my profile. You have your personal information when you sign up, and your about me information. Basically, what you see in about me information. Let me just show you something with that real quick. We just go to sales page and show you that information. This is what you see on the about me. Like, you're supposed to have your picture, and there's a video. It might be a bonus incentive that you definitely want to use. I highly recommend that, because you want to give your prospect a reason to pick you. And your more information on what your system, what you're offering, and in your welcoming message before the prospect sign up. So that's what that is. As a matter of fact, let me go back to where that is, my profile. So that's what that about information is. You have your billing information, your payment collections, and your custom payments, very important, which I'm going to share with you too, how that looks. This is where you can get your 100% of the commissions. We customize it to PayPal buttons or Stripe buttons, or any other company. And I also recommend a website builder, like a sales funnel, or WordPress, or what you can use to integrate with those buttons. And how that looks. For example, I'll go on to my products. This is on Vertex Elite. So you see my name. I basically this demo person's sponsor, where they're going for Vertex Elite, and it's $500 one-time payment. And you see Wave app. Not a lot of people heard about this, but it's an alternative to PayPal. And matter of fact, they're very good with especially if you want to promote, make money online. They don't bother you like like PayPal and Stripe. I mean, PayPal and Stripe, they're good still, but you got to be careful because they sometimes try to ban you. And like if you make too much at one time, it's weird. So like that's a negative with both of these companies, Stripe and PayPal. So I've heard other like team members tell me about their horror stories. But Wave app is a great alternative if you want to hear look into it. Type in Wave app on Google or waveapp.com, whatever way you can find it. And you have Cash App, and you pay with a company fee. It's $50 one-time fee. Like basically, you can use your credit card, MoneyGram, or Bitcoin Cash App right here. This all information here is very customizable. And let me just show you briefly how the buttons look like, how I set up this information. So right before you even go to the checkout, you see what each level is all about. As I have here, I built this page in HBA Funnel Builder. It's called, better known as Home Business Academy. Good alternative to ClickFunnels. It's only like $25 a month, and has pretty much all the features that ClickFunnels have. And it's like with more stuff, it's all in one system, even like Builderall. So you're getting more for like less money. So I just click on any button, and you see this is pretty much how the Wave app or waveapps.com, as you can see here, button looks like how the checkout looks like or so. And it's a good example for that. And it could be the same thing for Stripe. So go in here, and it goes on to buynowplus.com. That's what Stripe uses. And then PayPal is a little different because you go to any button, no matter what, and you get a drop down arrow. And it shows the packages based on each level. And you have a Venmo option. Like, not every country will see this. So, like, some countries will have these options, or the pay later options for 6 months. So it's a cool feature. And you have my contact info in case you need help or anything, and then you can contact me on Facebook. And you have Cash App, which is easy to use your phone, scan the barcode, and pay right there. Very simple. Now, before I even head to the bonuses, I want to talk about the compensation plan and how it works, as a matter of fact. So I created this example. So you have Sam, your sponsor, and you're the dot right here. And I'm going to use 4 people here. Like the first sale for you is going to be Rachel. Now the second sale for Tom is for Sam, your sponsor. So this is the reason why it's called 1-up, easy 1-up, because your sponsor get the pass-up sale, the second sale. So it goes right up to Sam. Then after that, all the sales for Zach, Sarah, is pretty much yours. Now the only other way your sponsor gets another pass-up sale is if you're not on the highest level. Say for a fact you're not on Vertex Live. So if Rachel or Tom or Zach or Sarah sign up on the Vertex Live, your sponsor gets that compensation, like basically get that commissions. Now, it's a positive when once you become somebody's sponsor, but it's also a negative to your downline because, especially like your first sale, you're basically paying yourself back. Like hopefully if you paid $1,000, hopefully the first sale that you get the $1,000 back. But the second sale goes to your sponsor. So it's a little jarring if you only have like 2 sales and one of those sales go to your sponsor. So it's a negative in a way, and then it's a positive. So that's one of the cons of the system. Right? And I want to talk about the bonuses. So the bonuses, for like, matter of fact, let me go to my other one. Here we go. On the bonus side, like, if you ever saw the video review of the multiple income funnel, what I had, I basically talk about the free solar ad campaign. It's a traffic arbitrage. Basically what you're getting is my top solar ads that gave me sales in the past, right? And in order to take advantage of that, you got to be either on the Vertex Elite, which is 100 clicks of high quality traffic, or Vertex Pro, which is 1,000 clicks and basically the high quality traffic with that as well. And, you know, I'll also do an email follow-up for both of those levels, because not everybody purchases the first time. Sometimes it takes 7 times before somebody make a purchase. And I'll use my squeeze pages from HBA Funnel Builder to promote your affiliate link. And I'll send the traffic to multiple income funnel or easy one up, your choice. I'll give you 10 email swipes to start your email marketing. And if you start from the lower levels or work your way up, I'll still give you free traffic when you move up to the Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro. That's 2 free traffic opportunities you can leverage with the system. And you get buyer lead included, which people who been in a business opportunity in the past, and it's targeted leads for any make money online business. And since I'm only on the Vertex Pro, you still get my sponsors bonus and the email swipes. But, you know, if you want to take advantage of the traffic offer, the bonus traffic offer, you want to be on the Vertex Pro, which I'm on. And Easy One Up is also the second income stream for the multiple income funnel. So you have a choice of signing up either the multiple income funnel or Easy One Up itself. So, you know, I give you multiple choices on that part. And if you're on the lower levels for some reason and like you can't it was too expensive, like with the Vertex Elite is like $500, the Vertex Pro is $1,000. On the lower levels, I still have bonuses for you, so no one's left behind. So what you get on the lower levels, you know, if you sign up to the HBA Funnel Builder, you get 2 free templates. Squeeze page for the HBA Funnel Builder, and then a multiple income stream course for the HBA Funnel Builder, along with other stuff to it. So, you know, like it's good, like it's a course full of videos, and, you know, and some stuff on a free traffic, so I mean a good traffic source. Plus, you're getting a traffic source with this as well. So you can climb your way up to the Vertex Pro or Live with this bonus traffic source. So, you know, you get a ton of value out of this. And it's good for biz up offers, MLM, Forex, crypto, and, you know, you name it. And anything make money online. And you got you're going to get 7 free email swipes because the money's in the list. And you get signed to Get Response or Aweber, basically like a free trial. And I'll take advantage of this. And this is where I'll, you know, with my help, I'll do a broadcast for you through that if you need that option. And my contact information. So before I conclude this, I want to talk about, like, you know, the Pro. What I like about the system, I like the fact that it's 100% of the commissions, and, you know, it's very direct, easy to follow, and, you know, the fact that it has like courses that show you many ways to promote in the system. And, like, you know, it's unlike how, for example, Amazon is, where Amazon only give you like less than 10% of the commissions. And, you know, like with this system, you're getting 100%. So you're like, you know, you're not losing anything. Like, but you just pay the one-time company fee, and you pretty much right there can scale and make money real quickly with that one, which is a major plus. The con, like I mentioned before, is the the part with the pass up sale. It's a pro and a negative, and also some of the courses are outdated. So the 2.0, I expected them to make some changes to that. They're probably going to have some updated information. But even with those outdated information, it's like you can still use them today in 2021. It still works. It's good methods. So you can use plenty of methods of finding traffic, paid and free traffic. So as far as that goes, that's about it. Okay, if you like this video and you're interested in the Easy One Up system, please click the link down below. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want more videos like this in the future. So stay tuned.